This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Rebecca Staylor. This stunning end-unit townhome complemented with the most serene wooded backyard is ready to welcome its next owner right before the holidays. With the installation of gutters, expanded driveway, light fixtures, hardware and fresh paint throughout much of the home, and you'd think that alone would make you swoon. But really, the pride of ownership is what really puts the icing on the cake. Owners since purchasing have installed gutters, water heater, dishwasher, microwave, HVAC, replaced ductwork, windows, sliding glass door, and have renovated the guest bathroom to include a new vanity, beadboard and tile. You know what they say, there's no place like home for the holidays, and so why not enjoy your move-in ready home this season? November 13, 2024. For more information, review the details below.